Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM can help students learn faster by turning notes, textbooks, PDFs, and research materials into flashcards and structured study guides. So instead of manually creating review materials, you can use AI to identify important concepts, summarize information, and generate questions for active recall. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to do that. Simple and effective. So first thing, how to create flashcards in NotebookLM, like create or open a notebook first. Okay, so open NotebookLM and create a new notebook or select an existing one. Popular sources include lecture notes, textbooks, course PDFs, study guides, research articles. So keep each notebook focused on one subject whenever possible. Then upload your must-study materials, like add the documents you want to study. NotebookLM works well with PDFs, notes, Google Docs, class materials, so the AI will use these sources to identify key informations. Then ask NotebookLM to generate flashcards, like once your sources are uploaded, use the chat panel. Example of useful prompts like create flashcards from these notes, generate exam review flashcards, or create question and answer flashcards. Okay, so active recall improves memory retention significantly. You can also create a study guide in NotebookLM, like generate a topic summary. So ask NotebookLM to summarize the material. Useful prompts include create a study guide from these notes, summarize the most important concepts, build an exam preparation guide, create a chapter review guide. So study guides provide a big picture overview. Okay, so you can also organize content by sections, like strong study guides are usually divided into categories. For example, definitions, main concepts, important facts, examples. So this makes information easier to review later. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.